Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the smart call settings in a Vivo phone. So in here, I've already on my phone and on my Vivo phone to enable the smart call setting, you can just first go to the settings app on your phone, then click on the search bar or the search column at the top, then just type in smart calling. This one you can see this is the setting. You can also go to the settings, shortcut and accessibility, smart motion, and go to the smart calling. So the smart calling feature will enable you or will let you call a contact by putting the phone to your ear when on the contact details, message read, or call details interface. So it will automatically dial the number when you make these motions right here. So just enable it just like this. You can also enable the smart answer, so when you're receiving a call, you can place the phone near your ear to automatically pick up the call. So this is the same. You can use motion, and there's also smart switch where you can use hands-free calling. So putting the phone to your ear will automatically switch to the handset. And there's also smart mute where you can when the phone rings, you can cover the screen with your hand to mute the call. You can also flip the phone to mute incoming calls. And there's also this last one, wave to hands-free. When there's an incoming call, you can wave your palm across the top of the phone around 2 to 4 centimeters to answer it hands-free. So you can enable all of these options if you want to, just like this. So that's all the smart calling feature on a Vivo phone. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.